Hey, remote fam, if you're looking for a fun and flexible way to earn income from home, then today's video is for you. I'm answering the top questions from my previous Outschool video, which are how do you get started with the platform and how to use Canva to make money online. In this video, I'm walking you through step by step how to apply, what to say in your demo video, and how to create your first class using Canva even if you're brand new to teaching online. And be sure to stay till the end because I've got a bonus resource to help increase your chances of getting approved and start earning from home. So let's get right into it. Hello and welcome to The Remote Times, your go-to spot for the best remote job leads and tips. I am your host, Yasmin. Whether you're looking for a full-time, part-time, or side hustle, I've got you covered. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let me introduce you to Outschool. This platform allows you to teach online classes to students ages 3 to 18 years old from around the world on just about any subject you're passionate about. And no degree is required, no interview, just you and your skills. So, based on whatever you'd like to teach, you can make a class out of it and start teaching right away. And make sure to stick around until the end of this video where I'll be sharing a resource that will increase your chances of getting hired. That was just a quick intro to Outschool, but if you want to learn more, be sure to check out my previous video right after this one. I go into detail about what Outschool is and why it's a great platform to teach from home. I'll link it in the description below for you. I've personally have done this and it's been a blessing to me, so I know it can be a blessing to you. So let's jump in and get you started. First up, let's walk you through the Outschool application process step by step. You don't need to be a certified teacher. You just need to love working with kids and have a passion or skill to share. What I also love about Outschool is that you can choose your own hours and create your own schedule, which allows room for a lot of flexibility. So you would go to outschool.com and from there you'll click sign up to teach. From here, you will choose how you would like to sign up. Let's click sign up with email. You would just fill out all the necessary fields here, and then you'll click join Outschool. You'll fill out your basic information, background, and experience. And don't worry if you've never taught in a traditional classroom, you can highlight any experience you have had working with kids, like babysitting, coaching, mentoring, or tutoring. It all counts. You'll also be asked to list class topics you're passionate about. This could be anything from drawing, life skills, or language skills to any subject you love teaching. If you have any questions before applying, be sure to check out this section of their website as it's packed with helpful details and answers to common questions. In your demo, they want to see your teaching personality, so keep it engaging and easy to follow. Here are a few tips to go by that really worked well for me and I know can do the same for you. Tip number one, greet your class. You can say something like, "Hi everyone, I'm teacher so and so," provide your teacher name. Tip number two, introduce the topic. An example can be, "Today we're learning about 10 fun colors." Pro tip, be sure to include a few props you might use in class. I personally printed some simple items from online, like a star that says hello, and a few teaching decorations to create a welcoming background for the video. Tip number three, show a mini activity. Lead a short interactive activity, pretend your students are present, ask them questions, react as if they're responding, and encourage them along the way. For example, in your demo, you could say, "What color is this fruit?" Pause as if the student is answering, then respond with, "Great job, the apple is red." This helps show confidence in your teaching style. And make sure to keep watching this video because I'll guide you step by step on how to create a sample activity to include in your demo before you apply to get approved. Tip number four, close with excitement. And like you're talking to your future students, you can say, "Thanks so much. I can't wait to see you in the next class." Then take a moment to thank OutSchool. You can say, "Thank you, OutSchool, for this opportunity. I'm so excited to share my classroom and join the team." Keep it confident, keep it fun, and that's what will help you stand out. Let's move on to the fun part of creating your demo class. But before we do, make sure to save this video to your playlist because trust me, you'll want to come back to it as you're setting things up. I also want to invite you to check out my channel because on there I share more opportunities and creative ways to make income from the comfort of your home. So if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Come join this amazing community. Now let's talk about Canva, my absolute favorite free tool I've used for teaching on OutSchool. Canva is an amazing platform where you can design just about anything, whether it's birthday invitations, videos, games, and so much more. The best part, it's easy to use and a great way to earn income from home. So, first, you want to head over to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, create one. It's free. You can also use the link in the description below to sign up very easily. They do offer a pro version, which I've upgraded to, and it's been a huge help for my content creation. Once you're logged in, type classroom games in the search bar. From there, you'll find tons of ready-made templates that you can customize for your OutSchool sample class video, or you can start from scratch with a blank design. Adding a visual element like this to your demo video shows OutSchool that you're both tech savvy and creative with your teaching approach. Here's a quick example of a class I taught that was a big hit. It's called Superhero Colors, a Colorful Adventure. And I was able to make this presentation very easily using Canva and really loved how it turned out. As you can see, I start by greeting the students. I would say, "Hi, heroes. Today we're going on a color adventure." Then I introduce the activity and use a fun Canva slide. I keep it interactive, as you can see. Then I end it with a fun scavenger hunt. So I can say, like, "All right, heroes, can you find something in your home that is blue?" Then the kids would just run off, come back excited, and it just really makes learning so much fun. And then I wrap up by celebrating their effort by saying, "Amazing job, everyone. We've learned 10 colors and went on a superhero adventure. I can't wait to see you in the next class." So you can use this style for your demo video as it can show your teaching personality. Canva templates make it easy to create colorful, engaging visuals that help your personality shine. And with Canva, you can either use pre-made templates or create your own designs like I did. Both are perfect for your demo video and later for your actual OutSchool classes once you're approved. So, if you're new to Canva and want more easy tutorials like this on how to create and earn from home, drop a teacher emoji in the comments and I'll create more videos for you. I want to share with you a quick example of the potential earnings with OutSchool based on information they share on their official website. On their site, you can see different types of classes and recommended price ranges. Some teachers list classes anywhere from $55 per hour all the way up to $70 per hour, depending on the subject, class format, and how they choose to price it. Of course, your earnings will vary depending on how many classes you offer, your schedule, and your pricing. So I always recommend checking out School's website directly for the most up-to-date details and guidelines. To help you get started, I created a free checklist with everything you need to apply to OutSchool. And if you want to dive deeper, check out my Teach and Thrive toolkit. This guide walks you through building an online teaching income from home, step by step, easy to follow, and full of resources I personally use. So check those out in the description link below. I would love to walk this journey with you. If you've made it this far in the video, drop a heart in the comments so I can personally thank you for your support. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you to all my subscribers. I see you, I appreciate you. And just a reminder, you have a special gift that only you can bring. So make sure to discover it, share it, and remember you've got this. And if you haven't already, subscribe so you never miss out on the latest remote job leads and creative ways to make money from home. And feel free to share this with a friend who's also on the remote work journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you never want to miss another high paying work from home job, make sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell so that you're always the first to apply.